boo, what the deal? You got the cash, so I'm sticking in here. I know you be packing the steel, but I can't suck your dick and get my lipstick smeared. Fuck brother, don't be grabbing my brain. You got the cash, so I'm easy persuade. Taste that season sauteed. See, I be coming all night and all day. I miss Trina, Steamer, fuck a beamer. Got me a band and some rams. In the windows and the pants. I tell you, time machine. Spot enough to even fuck your man. Looking this slim, I swear to South Beach, let me speak. Or you fuck me, you gon' treat. Put some santinis on my feet. Take me to the beach. Crawl up in my wall real deep. Ow. Panties coming out. My love is gonna call. Ain't no way that you won't get up in this for free. No panties coming out. My love is gonna call. My best friend. Ain't no way that you won't get up in this for free. New Trina! Bitch, you ain't gotta like me. What? If you was like me, I think your man's like me. He had me in the car with his hands on the bra. Reading on the face saying, ow, I ain't trying to disrespect. I'm just trying to keep you a check. See, I ain't done yet. Shit, I'm the type of bitch. Break up happy homes like Trick. Slow mo, easy Joe, you so and so. I'm a superwoman, that's mo. Way I ride wood, super good, too good. Any man wants your daddy would. Bitch understood, super slide. Trina, so got the arena. I'm a dead nigga, big fingers, big diva. Crawl up in my what, brother, what? Your panties coming out. My love is gonna call. Ain't no way that you gon' get up in this for free. Panties coming out. My love is gonna call. Ain't no way that you gon' get up in this for free. Hey brother, what's the word? Watch my hips, don't you like to curve? I want a crib in a deep suburb. 2 lows in a mockingbird. Versace spread on my water bitch. Now give me some head, give me some head. Red, and I'm the first bitch that understands it. Ow, no panties coming out. My love is gonna cry. Ain't no way that you won't get. No panties coming out.
Martina!
Shout out to HHK, Hip Hop Karaoke Fortune Sound Club.
Martina's killing it. Come on, let's give it up. Killing it. I think Trina would be proud of that.
Yeah. I think so too. I hope so, because she's a baddest bitch.
I feel like you can be friends with her.
Was that her first time?
I mean that in like
I mean in a nice way. In the worst way?
Well, she's in French Montana, so I could be friends with them, and then we could all be like rappers and friends, and you know, it'd be cool.
Martina, you're hot! Are you from Morocco?
Morocco?
I don't know. French Montana's like Morocco, isn't it?
I don't know. I just think French Montana's cool. Anyways, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Martina. You killed it. She did. Killing the white shorts, killing the white shorts. Ain't none of that. Nathan, are you here? Hey, is you Matsumoto here? Is you Matsumoto here?
Dude,
You Matsumoto, are you here?
Really?